Let me show you how to create a web form. A web form is a great way to add new subscribers to your different mailing lists and campaigns. So there's two ways to get there. The big red button here, or come to web form in the menu and create new. It's going to redirect you to the create a web form page. Now there's templates already in here that you can choose from to go ahead and get started with. You'll notice that they all have a name and email address already provided in the web form itself. So now we need to go ahead and name the web form. So let's just call this James Test again. And this will just be for your reference. And then we need to choose a campaign. We need to choose if it's going to be confirmed opt-in. If you were to say no, then what that means is that they don't need to confirm their opt-in via email address. So that just means after they've opted in, they go to a thank you page, and then that's it. They're on your mailing list. A confirmed opt-in means that they have to go into their inbox and actually okay that they do want to be subscribed or added to your contact list. Now there's a couple different options for the thank you page itself. You can choose a default thank you page, which is going to be the one that MonsterMail provides, or you can choose a custom thank you page, which is where you would redirect them to any page that you wanted. This is highly effective if you want to use a custom message, or you want to deliver them to some sort of freebie or prize that you have promised them in order to opt in the first place. So you would put in that custom URL here and deliver them there. And then the third option would be for you to choose to stay on the current page. So if this was maybe a blog or a website to where you didn't want to send them to a thank you page, you would just keep it on the same current page. So what would happen is they would opt in, and then it would just refresh the page that they're already on. Okay, and then we would click on next step. And then so there's two different options here. This gives you the full HTML code so that you could paste this yourself into the source code of the web page that you want this to be displayed on. Or if you want your developer or designer to go ahead and install it, you can go ahead and send that by filling in their email address and sending an optional message. Again, if you didn't want to do that, you could just simply copy all of this here and add it to the web page that you would like to have this shown on. And then from here, we're all done, and so we can just click over and it will take us to our list of active web forms that we now have. If you have access to the landing page creator, it will give you access to be able to build beautifully stunning web form pages, or what's called landing pages, to get somebody to actually squeeze or opt in to your list. And then you would be able to very simply add your web form that you just created to that page. MonsterMail fully hosts those pages and gives you very seamless integration to be able to add your web forms quickly to those pages that you're creating.